So how do you scale your community from a small neighborhood to a massive city without it falling apart?
At 2,000 members, you're the main event. At 30,000, they have to be the event for each other.
The big question is, how do you build the city and avoid total chaos? Well, it all starts with a mindset shift.
Right. You're not the main attraction anymore. Your new job is to help your members create value for each other.
And to do that, you have to know about the 99-1 rule. It's basically a law of online communities. Basically, 90% of people just watch, but that 1%, they're your creators. They're the key to everything.
And as you grow, your culture is everything. You have to write down your values so they don't get lost.
Okay, let's get into the nuts and bolts. How do you build the actual growth engine for your community?
This is brilliant. It's not just a referral link, it's a real career path for your biggest fans.
Growth can also come directly from your content. Things like evergreen tracks can pull in new people for years.
But growth creates its own problem: chaos. You can't just dump 30,000 people into one giant chat room. So you have to organize it, create smaller neighborhoods or micro-communities to keep conversations focused and valuable.
Now this number is super important. You've got about 48 hours to make a new member feel welcome.
Because if they don't interact in that window, chances are they're gone forever. So what's your plan for that?
And your strategy has to change as you grow. What works at 2,000 members won't work at 20,000.
And really, this is the ultimate goal. When the members are the ones creating value, you've officially succeeded.
So yeah, you've built the city. But the real test? It's seeing what your citizens decide to build next.